In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Facebook page to your WordPress website, a process that can enhance your site by connecting it directly to your Facebook presence. It's a great way to engage with your audience and increase traffic to both your site and your Facebook page. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, ensure you are logged into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is your main control panel for managing everything about your WordPress site. Once you're in, we will need to install a plugin that helps us add the Facebook page. There are numerous plugins available, but for this tutorial, we're going to use a popular one known as Custom Facebook Feed. To find this plugin, go to the left sidebar in your dashboard, hover over Plugins, and then click on Add New. In the search bar that appears, type Custom Facebook Feed and hit Enter. Look for the plugin by Smash Balloon and click the Install Now button. Once installed, hit Activate to start using it. With the plugin activated, you now have access to its settings under your WordPress dashboard. On the left sidebar, you should see a new menu item labeled Facebook Feed. Click on this to proceed to the configuration page. The first thing you need to do here is to connect your Facebook account. You'll see an option to connect it with a big blue button labeled Connect a Facebook Account. Clicking this button will prompt you to log into your Facebook account if you're not already signed in. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between Facebook and your website. Once you have connected your account, head back to the plugin settings page in WordPress. Here, you'll find options to customize how your Facebook feed will appear on your website. You can choose the layout, specify the number of posts to display, and even select whether to show certain elements like images, captions, or likes. Spend some time tweaking these settings to align with the look and feel of your WordPress site. Now comes the exciting part: adding the feed to your site. You can display it on a specific page or in your site's sidebar. To add it to a page, go to the page where you want your feed to appear, and in the editor, you will find a button to insert the Facebook feed. Alternatively, if you prefer to display the feed in the sidebar, navigate to Appearance and Widgets. Here you can drag a Facebook feed widget into the sidebar widget area. Finally, preview your changes to see how the Facebook feed looks integrated into your site. If everything appears correctly, don't forget to hit Save or Update to ensure your changes are live. Congratulations, you've successfully added a Facebook page to your WordPress website. This simple addition can foster better interaction with your audience, letting visitors easily find and engage with your social media content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.